Google has launched Nano Banana. This is the most powerful AI image model ever. Just enter a command, and you can change the colors of the characters in the picture. Details can be fixed immediately, rivaling Photoshop. Hello everyone, welcome to AI Life Notes. Today I'll show you 39 of the craziest, most amazing uses for Nano Banana, letting you truly realize how powerful it is. Imagine two completely different people, chatting in the same photo, as if they've known each other all along. Is there a photo where you think someone is particularly dramatic? Now you can make it vanish in an instant, as if it never appeared. Just one profile picture. No need to retake the photo. You can naturally extend it into a full body shot, as if the photo was meant to be that way. Imagine not needing a mirror. With just one click, you can see a whole new look. Imagine not needing a mirror. With just a glance, you can see a whole new look. The same character no matter how many scenes. The face and style remain consistent, as if a certain layout was captured. From serious to smiling. In just a second, catch another moment. The same person, different poses, as if a new photo was retaken. Swap out the person in the photo. The scene is completely different, like changing actors. There's more than one person in the photo that can move. All characters can change their actions.
Just press like, subscribe, share and turn on the little bell. Your support is the driving force for the growth of small creators like me, and it is also the source of my continuous sharing of valuable teaching.
Black and white old photos instantly infused with color, just like awakening Chen Feng's memory. An ordinary photo instantly transformed into an old photo from the past. It's as if time travel has occurred, returning to the past. Imagine yourself on the cover of a magazine or a movie poster. Peng Fu became an instant superstar. The same photo can turn into a Disney cartoon style. The whole picture instantly becomes dreamy and cute. The image remains unchanged, but just by changing Genai to anime illustration style, it's as if you've truly entered a two-dimensional world. A photo instantly becomes a black and white line drawing, ready to be used as a notebook right away. An ordinary photo turns into a comic storyboard in a second, as if the story unfolds right before your eye. An ordinary photo, instantly transformed into an eye-catching thumbnail. The click rate skyrocket. Sometimes there are always some pesky little things in the picture that can be made to completely disappear. Phones are too boring. How about swapping it for a banana? Suddenly the whole photo becomes interesting.
Haven't you subscribed, liked, shared, or turned on the bell yet? We hope to win your support.
Change your mood, freely switch to your favorite colors. Just a light tap. You can add any text to the photo. It's like giving it an annotation. The wording on the photo is unsightly. Change it in a second, as if it never existed. Add a reflection, and the photo instantly acquires a layer of texture. It's like it becomes an artistic photo. Use stick figures to label characters, actions. It's like adding little comics to the photo. If suddenly there's a hamburger added to the photo, the image instantly becomes funny and eye-catching. A still photo with a blur. It's as if it's come to life. just by changing the scene. It's as if you're really traveling. You're not taking a picture in a room, but in a zoo, monkey area. Just a slight adjustment. The perspective is completely different. The photo was originally flat, but with just an angle adjustment, suddenly it has a three-dimensional feeling.
If you like my content, please light up the red heart, subscribe to the channel, share, and turn on the little bell. Every time you support me, you are helping small creators like me grow and inspiring me to bring more valuable teaching in the future.
An ordinary yard, instantly dressed with flowers, plants, and trees, like it's been redesigned by a designer. The house looks like a structure from a game. Presenting from an isometric perspective, super fun. A sunny scene can instantly turn into a rainy day. The atmosphere feels completely different. The photo isn't wide enough, but with one click, the edges can be extended. It's like opening a bigger window. Imagine your design instantly becomes a tangible product, as if it's already on the market. Stitch together many products into one photo, mode switches in a flash. Just type a line of text, and the image will automatically generate. It's as if words become art. Turn characters into cute chibi figurine, or a plush toy, super fun. Design is no longer just a concept. It can turn into a product in an instant, rendering. Kung Fu can start mass production right away. Just now, we've seen over 39 super radical Nano Banana applications. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. If more interesting ideas come to mind, don't forget to share in the comments below. Is the video helpful? Please give your support. Like, subscribe, share, and ring the bell. And leave a comment. Your involvement means a lot to me. See you in the next video on AI Life Notes.